Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be fixing a little thin meatloaf, and we're going to cut hamburger patties out of it. We're going to have meatloaf sandwiches. Alrighty, now what we're going to do, we're not going to use all this burger. It's 3.5 pounds almost. We're going to use approximately 2 pounds. We've got 1 pack of meatloaf seasoning. Now you can make your own. We just went ahead and cheated and bought a pack of the... It'll be okay. Alrighty. We also got 2 eggs. We've got a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. We got a 1/2 cup of milk. And we're going to put a 1/2 cup of ketchup in there. And what I'm going to do, I'll just mix it up together on top of the baking sheet here. I got scolded the last time, one of the times I made meatloaf there. One of the, not Carolyn, one of the viewers said it didn't get good and incorporated. It tasted good, but oh well, that's what I'm going to do again. Less dishes, tastes good to us folks. But what we're going to do, we're going to use this thin pan. I'll show you here in just a minute when we start mixing it up. And then we'll fix a little glaze and put over top of it there, and then hopefully it's going to be good. Let's get started. Alright folks, my hands are clean. We've been out there picking raspberries. I tried to wash it off. Alrighty, now once again, you mix this up however you want. I'm just doing this 1 pan thing. Like I said, totally up to you. We've always said make this your own. Okay. It'll all come together, folks. Should pour that milk in for me, please. Carolyn here's helping me hold the pan. We'll press it out pretty thin. Then it won't cook as long. We'll go ahead and throw it in the oven, and then we'll whip up our glaze for the top of it. We got the oven preheated at 375, by the way. Alrighty, let me wash my hands. I'll get my lovely assistant to place it in the oven. I'm getting ready to correct Carolyn here. When I said that, she started looking around the room, folks.
Are you ready?
Yes. Take it away, my lovely assistant.
What temperature was it on?
375. 375, folks. Now let's make the glaze. Alrighty, folks. This here is just going to be a simple little meatloaf glaze. We've got 3 tablespoons of brown sugar in there, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Put that in. Now we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Put that in there. Sugar, you wouldn't grab me a salt, would you? My lovely assistant is grabbing me the salt. If she looks around again. Okay. Quarter teaspoon of salt. Now, grab me the black pepper, sugar. And then we put the lid on this. We don't need no catastrophe. While Carolyn's doing that, let's go ahead and put our ketchup in there. We're wanting around 3/4 cup to a cup. Alrighty. That set is done right there. You didn't know they had that feature on them, did you? Yep. Yep. When it says it's done, it's done. Alrighty, folks. Let's just whisk this together. And then what we'll do, it's in the oven cooking. We'll cook it for about 15 minutes. Then we'll put our glaze on it and then place it back in the oven and let it finish cooking. Alrighty. I'll set this here. We'll see you shortly. Alrighty, folks. It broke up a little bit in places, but that's fine. We're going to just take a pizza cutter and cut our patties out. And let's get it plated up. Alrighty. Just take this here and we'll, instead of pizza, we'll be cutting us out some meatloaf. Let me get a bread. You want yours on bread? I'm eating mine on bread. Alrighty. Carolyn, she's fixing hers a deluxe one there. She's got, I don't know, what are you got there? Lettuce, tomato, onion.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, a little bit of everything. Alright, should you put it together and you try it.
Delicious.
Taste okay?
Delicious.
Dan, jump over and grab yours.
Okay. Delicious.
Alrighty, folks. Let's hope you're telling us the truth.
Yes. That's good.
Alright, folks. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed evening. Take care. Alrighty, folks. They said it's good. Let's hope so. I'll get ready to fix mine here in just a minute. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Lord willing, be a seeing you Friday. Thank y'all for watching.